People are all very ready to blame the outside because it's just a normal ego functioning. And what is ego but a false sense of knowing? Like when you don't know anything, really, and you think that you know, that is ego, that's all. That is the definition of the ego. Like when you don't know anything and you are pretending to know, or you have convinced yourself that you know without knowing anything for real. That's all ego is. I mean, that's the thing which these people use. They know there's one thing called ego, which ego of knowing, which they use to indoctrinate people in the first place. They know that, like, if you tell people, send people to school, and then you give them all this false info, then it creates a false sense of knowing, because ego is nothing except false sense of knowing. It's not some like special entity which is sitting inside of you, which is coming from somewhere, or like a ghost or demon which has possessed you. And obviously, if you have not bothered to find out anything about multiversal laws, then you really don't know anything. That is a given. Like, yeah, knowing the man-made laws or whatever you learned at school is not knowing at all, anyways, because it's got nothing to do with multiversal laws. I'll give you an example. Like, somebody will tell you, like, okay, there is nuclear fusion happening on the sun. I mean, it's taught in the school book. So you can say, okay, there's nuclear fusion happening on the sun. And either you can believe it just because it's written in the school book, or you can think, like, how do we know? I mean, how can we be sure it's nuclear fusion happening out there? Like, you know, has anyone been there? I mean, no one has been there. No one has been to the sun. Like, I mean, so, like, when you bring things down to a factual, realistic basis, you can detach yourself from it. Because one has to leave the ego behind. It's a big problem only for the ego. Wow. Okay, it's not a problem for the body. Body doesn't care about all this lies. And mind also, like, is not like, it's the ego which is the problem. Okay, people have an ego of knowing something. Okay, yeah. And that's what they fill up people up with. Okay, like they will always like say, like, okay, you have become professor now of physics. Then you will not listen to anybody. I'm a professor of physics. I know physics. Okay, they give false sense of knowledge to people. Yeah. So then people become egotistical. Okay, so and then they don't listen to it, and they close themselves to real knowledge. I mean, if your only guideline is your ego, which is like completely false sense of knowing, then you'll always be led into unpleasant situations. Like, once you face the facts, you know, like, ego might feel bad. Okay, ego feels bad. Oh, I don't know. And ego feels bad. Okay, if you find that you're not letting, you don't know what to do, and while others know what to do, then ego feels bad again. So people do everything just so that their ego does not feel bad, and that starts from like age of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that little age. Okay, there's all this thing, you know, like, so then the whole foundation is gone. Okay, in earlier, like in Vedic time, in Gurukul and stuff like that, in real education was there. Like, at a kid which a 5-year-old would be taken to that thing, they'll be sat under a tree, and they'll be sitting there, and they have to do the right pronunciation. The whole thing will be on taking control of their body, and nothing to do with what this person is doing or that person is doing, or this lie or that lie, or this information or that information. Nothing was about any of this. You have to do that honest thing. Okay, it'll only hurt your ego. Okay, only thing which is going to get hurt in all of this is your ego. Nothing else will get hurt. Okay, there's not any other thing at all which is inside you which will get hurt from this process. Okay, so, and it's the ego only, like, and that's why, like, image, you know, like, people give image to a certain word, like, oh, I'm image. Okay, like, it's not about image. Okay, it's about reality of your being. But ego is not beingness. Your ego is not your beingness. Okay, there's a difference between your ego and your beingness. You know, your ego can be a big balloon like that, but your beingness can be this little dot like that. Okay, I mean, so there is a huge difference between what your ego is and what your beingness is. Okay, and to look past the ego, that's where honesty comes. You know, like, if a being can look past their ego, then they'll come to know what their actual level of being is, what they can actually do or not do. You know, not to make up lies about what they can do and cannot do. Like within yourself, like, you have to be very, very honest with yourself to know what you can do and cannot do, like James saying, you know. So if you start lying to yourself, then that's when the problem starts. Then that is not being done by outside. That's not being done by any
institutions or anything, then you are lying to yourself. Everybody at some point, because being that way will only lead you to pain and torture. Hell is nothing but pain and torture, right? Like hell is just a word for that. But like the point is like this kind of like ignorant way of being will lead you to pain and torture. It's a simple thing in this multiverse. And the more like strongly you hold on to it, the more pain and torture you'll face. And if you can handle it, it's like if you can handle it, how long can you handle it? Like, I mean, you can handle it for some time, but nobody can handle it forever, or like, you know. So at some point they will have to give up this ego or like this sort of stubbornness. That's where the word humble will come. Like a being will get more humble the more they get in touch with their beingness. Okay, the humility will come. Okay, instead of arrogance, the opposite is humility. Like arrogance is opposite is humility. So humility will come. But beings will be more humble in their dealings. And when that humility comes towards the multiverse and through the thing as a whole, then you are a different being. Then from that point you are ready to evolve yourself. The point is that a lot of ego destroying things are happening right now. Like people have to face a lot of things right now that they don't know anything, you know. Like that is what is happening through YouTube and stuff in the last 5, 6, 7, 10 years, that a lot of people's sense of knowing is being shattered. Like, so then that is automatically breaks down your ego, because you thought you knew, but reality is you didn't know. You had no clue. Like, because you have to have an internal quest. Oh, I don't know this. I still don't know this. You know, then only can you actually learn.